Here is my garden, still a work in progress, and there's Mum sitting on the deck that I made out of pallets with a homemade raised veggie garden behind, and the frog eco pond, which has just got some little tiny weedy fish that are meant to eat the mosquitoes. I think there's too many mosquitoes for the amount of fish. Might have to change that, get more. And here is the grape that I've just planted a little while ago, and have a trellis for that, needs to be redone. And then of course composting, and then over looking this way is palm trees that were here before, and all the lovely lavender which the bees absolutely love was there before, and a couple of little papaya trees just hanging in there over winter. And then over there is an avocado tree, also very badly battered by winter, and I'll keep the focus on here as I walk. This is an aviary, thinking it may end up being a chook pen if I extend it further. And then this is a tropical Anna apple tree. And oops, I've got bare feet, so there's lots of bees in these beautiful yellow flowers, which are weeds, but I'm leaving here, and all my shadow is in there, but I've really got to be careful I don't tread on a bee. So this had lots of beautiful flowers on it, but they're just about all gone now. Not sure if they've blown off or what's happened there. Whereas this one here is the other one to help that needing two tropical trees, and that's I think it's a Dorset with the papaya behind it. Not sure if those fruit are a bit premature. And another avocado tree, an acerola cherry, and a star fruit which is not doing very well at all. Local acacia that's helped to draw the nitrogen into the soil and to bring some shade. Some cress, the comfreys not doing very well, and banana, shatut, dwarf mulberry tree, which also had more mulberries on it than leaves, but the strong winds blew those off as well. Banana tree, fig tree's just got all its leaves back, and strawberry. Oh, the strawberry's just ripened up, it's just gone to a beautiful pink colour. And the other one's got some flowers. Rocket's gone to flower. Oh, there's a big caterpillar on there. Totally had so many of those caterpillars devouring the whole garden. Coriander, the mandarin and orange tree are in flower bud, and the other orange tree, it's got some been there before we came, and then just the back fence around there, and just my kale suffered badly from the caterpillars and aphids. A little miracle plant, and marigold, and sunflowers that I've just grown from seed and just planted out last week, and just then feijoa, frangipani cuttings, hoping they're going to come to life soon. And the feijoa has also got fruiting buds, or flower buds I suppose, and courtyard, and then back around out to here, Mum's craft room, And this is the veggie garden, north facing, and that's been our winter garden. So the broccoli is also was badly eaten by caterpillars, and I'm going to have to get my gloves and get rid of them. Where is he? And throw it over the fence. There it is, right there.